If your Ford F-150 keeps dropping your Apple CarPlay connection during your drive, here are 5 steps to fix it for good. Research shows that 80% of connection drops are caused by simple cable degradation or minor software bugs. Let us start the diagnosis. Begin by swapping your cable for a certified original, cleaning your phone port, and performing a sync system soft reset. If the basics fail, verify your iPhone software version and check for available sync firmware updates via Ford's website. Sometimes the handshake between devices gets corrupted, so forgetting the device in both the truck and phone settings usually helps. If you have tried these simple steps and still face drops, you might be looking at a faulty USB module or an APIM failure. Most issues are resolved with simple maintenance, while hardware-level repairs remain relatively rare. If you are technically inclined, use an OBD-I scanner to check for communication faults or inspect the USB hub for physical damage. Keep a high-quality certified cable and a non-conductive pick handy for basic troubleshooting. Remember, a frayed cable will always cause connection drops regardless of your software settings. If these steps fixed your connection, let us know in the comments below.